for the series actually, and as we always keep on discussing that during the last couple of trading days and the first couple of trading days of a series, what we what we would see is major tops and bottoms forming, and that is what is potentially looking to be carved in various instruments. So let's get started off with the 4 hour time frame for Euro USD, and let me just compress the chart a bit for the entire wave counts. Okay, so the story is as follows. Starting 12th of January, after the bottom was covered at 1.0775, euro has been rallying, and if we subdivide the waves here, this potential minute wave 1 complete, minute wave 2 also complete, and minute wave 3 is still quite a bit far away for termination, because not only the minute wave 3 but the minute wave 3 and the sub-minute wave 3 are also extending. The sub-minute wave 3 completed its extension. We we also have sub-minute wave 4 lower degree in place, and now wave 5 of the sub-minute degree is possibly underway against 1.0730 levels. All right, so going forward, we are looking for Euro USD to print close to 1.12 as the next immediate upside target before any meaningful corrective decline unfolds, as minute wave 4 orange labeled here, and then we should have minute wave 5 orange labeled upside, pushing higher, and minute that would terminate minute wave 3. So going forward, we are looking for Euro USD bulls to absolutely remain in control, and if you're still sitting on the sidelines, then you should be considering to hit the buy button right now as we speak, as prices they are pulling back a bit, and it's no wonder, no surprise. 1.0815 would be the next lower degree uh, higher lows actually. Now this is sub minute wave 4. All right, so another lower degree waves is being carved out right now, one lesser degree. All right, and euro bulls targeting 1.12 with the stop loss of around 1.05, brothers. This at this point in time, we are not recommending stop loss around 1.07. We are just seeing a bottom formation there, and we want to see higher levels going forward. So it's not recommended to place your stop around 1.07 right now. Possibly after prices have pushed above 1.09, going forward we can shift our stop loss to 1.0700. All right. But right now we should refrain from doing so, and it's better to place our stop loss at 1.0500. All right. All right. So that is the story in the Euro USD. Let's move on to the dollar index. 4 hour chart for dollar index is now sorry, the 4-hour chart for the dollar index. The US dollar index is now flashing up on your screens, and what we are seeing right now is a sub-minute degree wave 4, possibly terminated at 104, 50, 60 levels, and sub-minute wave 5 could be underway towards 101, almost 101 levels. Please remember that it's just a sub-minute wave 5. There's no way close to even minute wave 5. It's sub-minute wave 5, which would complete minute degree wave 3, and then we will have minute wave 4 and 5 lower to complete the minute wave 3, and then again minute wave 4 and 5. So in a nutshell, in a short, to cut the story short, we still have 5 waves to complete before dollar index comes to a termination halt. All right, literally before we can see any kind of major support coming in for the dollar index. It's around the 97, possibly 95, and nothing less than that. All right, so you've got to be on the short side, and if you have not yet taken shorts as we speak, I think you should be doing it with a stop loss around 107 and potential targets 101, 97, and 95 respectively. All right, we would be more encouraged to uh, move the stop loss when prices print below 103. Actually, prices begin to move under 103. Right now it looks like lower degree waves 1s and 2s. So lower degree wave 3 is potentially subdividing or extending itself. So it's an amazing series of wave 3 extensions. We are we are witnessing minute wave 3 being extended. We are also witnessing minute wave 3 being extended, and we just saw sub-minute wave 3 already completing its extension. All right, so wave 3 is extending at several degrees as we speak. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Just for those who are just joining in, we would like to remind that right after the Tokyo Sydney overlap session, just before the London session, I think we already initiated shorts in gold, and somewhere around the 3025 zone. Right now, prices are dropping towards 3109 as we speak. So it's almost 20 points lower right now as we speak. All right, and it is quite possible that gold has completed a major. It's marked. Gold has marked a major top. That is minor wave 3, minor wave 4, minor wave 5 was terminating, was unfolding. Sorry, and within the fifth wave we have minute waves 1, 2, 3, 4 also complete, and minute wave 5 was subjected to rally towards 3128, and that's where exactly prices rallied early today overnight in the western, during as far as the western time zone, the eastern time zone, sorry. And right now we are almost 20 points lower than intraday highs. I think gold, if we move on to the hourly chart, we can see that prices are already reversing lower. Now, if that is a lower degree wave 4 being carved out, it's fine. It can go and print a new high once again. But it's quite possible that gold has topped out, and it is now cutting loose on the south side. In fact, we've sold in the portal as well around the 31, 20, 25 zone. And right after the session, I think we would be good enough to take some partial profits. So it's not possible to take partial profits in the portal, but at least in the as we speak, I would like to suggest that you keep booking partial profits. You never know, there could be wave 4 in the making and there might be one more high. But I think we are very close to a major top formation in gold. It is either done or it is just a high away from now. All right, so those are the those are the this is the gold story. Right now, it is testing the Elliott channel resistance. If it has formed a top, it won't take much time to come back into the sell zone of the channel, and it would straight away break below the 3075 mark as well. So you've got to be watchful here, and partial profits might be booked. Only partial profits. Don't please book the complete profits, and then we'll have we can go back and sell higher if prices rally additionally. All right, so be a bit watchful on the south side. I think a major top is in the formation right now. All right, so that is the story in gold. Let's move on to GBP USD for intraday setup. I'd like to bring up 4-hour time frame first. All right, so GBP USD 4-hour time frame is clearly also suggesting what we discussed, similar to the Euro USD, where minute wave 3 is extending and it is expected to terminate above 1.35 before minute wave 4 retraces lower and minute wave 5 takes another high. So trading point of view, please remain on the long side. Even now it can be taken on the long side 29.25. The stop loss recommended is around 1.25 and potential target is around 1.35. All right. So we will keep the session short for now with the four instruments: euro, dollar index, gold, and pound. And we are watching Bitcoin and the US 30, that is the Dow Jones, for another short entry going forward. But we will discuss that maybe during the Tokyo Sydney or tomorrow around the London times. All right. So let's bring the current session to a pause. And once again, thank you for tuning in. And until the next session, please do take care and God bless. Goodbye.